I'm sorry, I am lost. We've been invited out this year to Howl-O-Scream here at Busch Gardens to try out their Scream Cam, see one of their all-new houses, try some of their food, some of their drinks. And I've been wandering into this junkyard I'll figure it out. Let's go. Now, this is one of my favorite scare zones and not to be missed, specifically because all the props and pieces in here are actually from old Howl-O-Scream events. Check it out, things like from Motel Hell, or this is from the Day of the Dead area. Little Easter eggs, even things I'm not sure of. But it's so cool. If you're familiar with old events, you're gonna find all sorts of things to love in here. And at night, characters. So we're trying out a few of the food and drinks they have here this year at Howl-O-Scream. Let's start with this blood bag. I'm not sure exactly what's in it. I know it's alcoholic. Ooh. Oh, that's alcoholic. Appley, actually, a little appley. We're good.
Okay, Andy, next.
Sorry. Over here we got a couple different types of egg rolls. This is buffalo, and looks like it's in a bed of oh yeah, that's blue cheese. That's really.
Better wash that down.
That's better. That is really good. It's really decadent. You know, it's fried, and the cheese, and then the blue cheese as well. That's excellent. This was a Philly cheesesteak in an egg roll form, of course. It's like a ketchup-y hot sauce maybe on the outside. All right, I like it. This is a pork slaughtered leg. That has like an Asian sauce on it. That's decent. And I mean, we're ready for dessert, yeah? Wash it all down with the classic Jell-O shot syringe. It's the way to end the night. And of course, you can't have an event without cupcakes. I believe our options are bloody, eyeballs, green. Decisions.
3, 2, 1, over here. Scream! There you go. Good job. Keep going, yes. Keep going.
Okay, Chloe. I got this creepy invitation in the mail. Picture of me that I don't know how they got that said, "You're next," weird circus music, and now here I am. What is going on?
Well, you're about to be our next freak in the freak show.
Now, all right, this is D.H. Bagum. Who is this D.H. Bagum guy?
So D.H. Bagum is the owner of the circus that's trying to gain some more attention by including a freak show into a circus. And for any longtime Howl-O-Scream fans, it's a slight callback to Dark Hearts Fear Fair.
So I guess I'm going to go through there, and I guess I'm going through alone. Any advice?
Good luck.
Good luck. Now, I hear some people even screaming. That's nothing, right? That's perfectly fine?
Totally normal.
Awesome. So this is just one of the houses here. How many houses are there?
So we have 5 haunted houses this year. This is our brand new one. Our returning houses are Stranglewood Estate, which was last year's brand new house. The Residence Home for the Holidays will be returning. The Forgotten is returning, but it's the Forgotten Uprising this year. Okay. And then Witch of the Woods is returning.
Very fun. And there are scare zones again?
Yes, we have 6 scare zones this year. Our 2 brand new ones are Big Ed's Demolition Derby and Sin City Zombies. We also have our Beyond the Veil zone returning. We have Raven's Mill returning.
So I know we're not expecting Fiends again this year. What can we see though?
Yes, so although Fiends last year was its last year, we are very excited for a brand new musical show to return to Festival of Fields, and it is called Rock the Grave.
Awesome, what can we expect in that?
It is high energy, live music, live singing, live musicians. It is going to be super fun.
Okay, she's going to snug it up on you.
All right. Oh, come on, that one. one. They get one. One is free. One's easy. The odds of getting gotten again. Okay. Ew. Sexy. I'm not gonna get to narrate it. Around here. Okay.
Let's go.
How's it going?
I hope you enjoy the last show of your life.
All right. Oh, doing good.
Hey there.
Oh, Jesus. It's such a good looking house, too. I want to just look at it. Okay.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Step. It's would you like to pay a quarter or pay with an arm and a leg?
Bring you change. I'm so sorry. Afterward, I'll come back.
You want a brain freeze, pal?
All right, we're good. We're good. This fine here. This is cool looking though. Oh, don't eat the ice cream. Look at this.
I have a new flavor. It's not human. Try it.
I'm good. I'm good.
He said try it.
I didn't want to try. Super nice, Mickey guy.
Look bad. Oh yeah. Welcome to the show. Oh yeah.
It's fine here. I look good. Pretty here, Nick. Disturbing. This is fine. It's fine here. Oh!
There's no escape.
You're dead. All right.
Where you guys going, huh? Come stay with us.
I think that's about. Oh, it's not it. Of course, that's not it. How would that not be it? All right, maybe. Okay. I think I'm not done. I was not done.
The ingredients of my next Sunday. Perfect. Left eyeball, right eyeball.
Oh, am I done?
delicious.
Please be done. No, I wasn't done. All right. Sure. Okay. Yeah, fine. That's fine. Everything's fine. All right.
Where you guys going, huh?